Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I have the Colourpop California Love palette, and I thought it's time to do another eyelid swatch video. So I'm going to swatch each individual shade on my eyelids. If you guys like these types of videos, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, let's go ahead and do the eyelid swatches. So here's the palette. It is very aesthetically pleasing, and the actual palette itself looks just like the carton. So you have the shade names on the back, but you also have the shade names on the inside, which is a nice touch. I really like that. Here's an up close. Yeah. So anyways, just like my other eyelid swatch videos, I'm going to use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer to prime my eyes, and I'm going to start swatching them for you. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is called Diego. And then I'm just going to use my finger. So this is the shade Diego. Now I'm going to apply Gnarly. So here's the shade Gnarly. Now we're going to do the shade Sequoia. So here's Sequoia. It's very pretty. Now we're going to go in with the shade Gold Rush. So here's the shade Gold Rush. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Highway 1. So this is the shade Highway 1. Next we're going to go in with the shade Laguna. So this is the shade Laguna. So I'm going in with the shade El Captain, El Capitan, you know, whichever way you want to say that. This one's like a chunky glitter. You can see the like chunkiness to it. So this shade is like really, really pretty. I wouldn't necessarily use it like all over the lid. I would like maybe a halo or like a little bit in the center, but this is so cute. Next, I'm going to do the shade Surfrider. So here's the shade Surfrider. It's a little rough, I apologize. But you can see the color. It looks really cute. Okay, so the next shade is Kahunga? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Hold on, maybe you can read it better on the back. Maybe not. So we're just gonna say, let's just do the shade over here. This shade here. Okay, so here is that shade. It's really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Mission. This shade's a little rough. Okay, here's the shade Mission. It's a little patchy, but I think that's just me. But here's the color. Yeah. The second to the last shade, Krystyn. So here's the shade Krystyn. And the last shade is called the Bay. So here's the Bay. I kind of feel like doing a quick little look with this palette only because I really love all the colors in here and I just want to create a look. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a quick little look. I'm going to first go in with the shade Gnarly. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Sequoia. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Gold Rush. Now I'm going to add some of the Bay. Now I'm going to add the shade Krystyn on top of that. And I'm going to add the shade Laguna. So this is the finished look. It's really pretty, and I can tell this is going to be the perfect palette for fall because it just screams like fall time, bronzy, fall time. I don't know, but I really do love this palette. I can't wait to do more looks with some more of the darker colors, and I really want to play with this shade here because it's just freaking amazing. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, thumbs it up, and again, don't forget to subscribe before you go. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!